Hey guys, and welcome back to Your Reviews. I'm thrilled to have you here as we dive into the exciting world of aerial cinematography. But before we embark on this journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. Today, we've meticulously curated the top 7 best 4K drones that you can get your hands on this year. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a budding drone pilot, these cutting-edge devices promise to elevate your filmmaking experience to new heights. So buckle up, hit subscribe, and join us as we explore the skies with the best 4K drones of the year. Kicking off our list at number 7, we have the E99 Pro HD 4K drone camera, a budget-friendly drone that offers a lot of bang for your buck. It has a 4K HD camera that can capture stunning photos and videos from the sky, and a high hold mode that keeps the drone stable and steady in the air. It also has a foldable design that makes it easy to carry and store, and a Wi-Fi connection that lets you stream the live video to your smartphone or tablet. The E99 Pro is a great choice for beginners and kids who want to experience the thrill of flying a drone and taking amazing aerial shots. Moving on to number 6, we're greeted by the 2022 M10 Pro 2 RC GPS Drone, a premium drone that boasts a dual camera system, a 4K camera on the front and a 1080p camera on the bottom. The front camera has a mechanical 2-axis gimbal that stabilizes the image and reduces the vibration, while the bottom camera has a wide-angle lens that captures more details and perspectives. The M10 Pro 2 also has a GPS module that enables smart features such as Follow Me, Orbit, and Return to Home. The drone has a 5G Wi-Fi transmission that delivers a clear and smooth FPV view, and a brushless motor that provides a powerful and quiet flight. The M10 Pro 2 is a foldable drone that can fit in your backpack or suitcase, making it ideal for travelers and adventurers who want to explore the world from above. Securing the 5th spot is the TENSSENX GPS Drone, a versatile drone that can do it all. It has a 4K camera that can capture high-quality images and videos, and a GPS system that enables intelligent functions such as auto return, follow me, circle fly, and waypoint fly. You can also customize your flight path and speed on the app, and enjoy a long flight time of up to 52 minutes with the 2 included batteries. The drone has a brushless motor that ensures a smooth and durable flight, and an altitude hold and headless mode that make it easy to control. The TENSSENX GPS Drone is a perfect gift for anyone who loves flying and filming with a drone. Sliding into the 4th position is the M10 Ultra Drone, a professional drone that delivers a superior performance and quality. It has a 4K camera that has a 3-axis electronic image stabilization system that eliminates the shake and distortion, and a 5G Wi-Fi transmission that supports a long-distance FPV view of up to 5 kilometers. The drone has a GPS module that supports advanced features such as one-key takeoff and landing, point of interest, and gesture control. The drone has a brushless motor that provides a fast and stable flight, and a professional camera that can adjust the angle and zoom according to your needs. The M10 Ultra Drone is a drone for experts and enthusiasts who want to experience the ultimate flying and filming experience. The bronze medal goes to the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone at number 3, a lightweight and foldable drone that weighs under 249 grams, which means you don't need to register it in most countries. It has a 4K camera that has an electronic image stabilization (EIS) system that reduces the blur and noise, and a 4 km FPV transmission that gives you a clear and real-time view of the scenery. The drone has a long battery life of up to 62 minutes and a fast speed of up to 16 meters per second. The drone also has a GPS module that supports smart features such as auto return, follow me, and waypoint mode. The Potensic Atom SE is a drone for everyone who wants to enjoy a hassle-free and fun flying experience. Snagging the silver medal is the DJI Mini 2 SE, a mini drone that packs a punch. It has a QHD video resolution that can record stunning videos at 7K and a 10km video transmission that lets you see what the drone sees from afar. It also has a 31-minute flight time that lets you fly longer and farther, and a return-to-home feature that brings the drone back safely. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight drone that weighs under 249 grams, which means you can fly it anywhere without worrying about the regulations. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a drone for beginners who want to capture their moments with ease and elegance. Taking the crown as our top pick is the original Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro V2 remote control quadcopter, the ultimate drone that offers the best of everything. It has an Ultra HD camera that can record videos at 6K and a 3-axis gimbal that ensures a smooth and stable footage. It also has a remote control that has a built-in OLED screen that displays the live video and telemetry data, and a 9km video transmission that supports a long-range FPV view. The drone has a 40-minute flight time that lets you fly longer and explore more, and a flight professional quadcopter that can handle any weather and terrain conditions. The Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro V2 is a drone for professionals who want to capture the world in the highest quality possible.